It is Thursday morning, the 22nd. We are heading out to take a couple people to the central portion of Three Lakes, hopefully to be able to see the eagle's nests and do a little drone footage out there. Last time I was out, I didn't fly the drone at all. So we're met up down here at Narcoossee Road and 192 at the 7-Eleven so that people could get some snacks and get gassed up, and we'll take it from here.
Good morning. We're going on FloridaJeepRides.
All right. What are we going to see today?
Maybe some snakes.
Snakes?
Yep.
Gators?
Yep.
Eagles?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, we might.
Deer?
Yes.
Turkeys?
Maybe. Last time we did.
Yep. All right. Thanks for riding. Welcome once again to Three Lakes, Prairie Lakes unit. It is the middle area, accessible through Canoe Creek Road year-round, and southern portion, which runs off Highway 60, is accessible during the late spring, summer, and up to hunting season. Rained a lot over the last couple of days, so we'll see what the state of the trail is now after the rain. I can see a little bit of mud and water on the road, but this should be pretty much two-wheel drive friendly. Yep, largemouth bass, crappie, bluegill, sunfish, catfish. Got different types of worms and lures, live lures. And this is fishing at Lake Jackson, 1,000-acre lake.
Kind of like a beach.
Yeah. What you got?
Basketball.
Let me see it. Let it go. Let it go. Put it on your shirt. Here, put it on your shirt like this. Look. There you go. Whoop. That is the Lake Jackson boat ramp. Beautiful place to catch a sunset. You can drive out here at night. You just can't hunt at night. Night rides. Once you're familiar with the area, it makes a nice little ride at night. Stopping for lunch at the Catfish Place in St. Cloud, right off California Avenue and Highway 192. It's been here forever, and it's a great place to get some Florida natural seafood.
¿Se te olvidó?
Corn again.
Do you want a lot?
Here's the turtle.
Okay. Wait, you gotta say grace. Yes.
Wait, can I just try this quick?
You can try that.
Barbecue, yeah. Any other sauce that we need? There's cocktail and tartar.
No.
Ketchup?
Ketchup, yes.
I'll grab the ketchup, honey,
best.
salt, pepper.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. We Jeep, we eat. We're at the Catfish Place in St. Cloud, eating catfish, and this is frog legs, shrimp, gator, turtles, and clams. This is turtle over here, and he's not even saying grace yet. Coleslaw, sweet potato, French fries,
Shrimp and tenders.
shrimp and tenders.
Scallops.
Look at the scallops. Ooh. Somebody likes corn and pork chops. And chicken. And an itty bitty chicken sandwich. Thanks for riding. You've just been on a Florida Jeep ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.
Hey,
I'm Matt. Alfonso.
Steve.
Emma.
Carmen.
Logan.
See you next time.